Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DIY Ncert. So today I have never mentioned it, but today I want to mention here is that please do like, share and subscribe my channel DIY Ncert. So yeah, before going into the video, I would like to add here is we have just done with two kingdoms, that was Kingdom Monera and Kingdom Protista, and right now we are going to discuss upon Kingdom 13. So yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, as you can see in this picture that so many different kind of structure, isn't it? Colorful structure. Then again I'll show you a picture that orange color, red color. So there is work like बहुत huge different kinds of versatile हम देख सकते हैं, isn't it? Yeah, definitely we are going to discuss upon Kingdom Fungi, and this is very huge. And yeah, and also I have taken everything from your NCERT, every single word, to make you understand about this Kingdom Fungi. So let's just go into the video. तो पहले तो हम बात करते हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में. What are the main characteristics of the Kingdom Fungi? पहली बात, multicellular organisms. If I tell you the multicellular organisms, so we have till now we have what? The unicellular prokaryotes, unicellular eukaryotes, but now from the Kingdom Fungi we will be having the multicellular organisms. पहला पॉइंट हमें ये याद रखना है. But we have one exception, that is yeast. Yeast is an exception where it is unicellular. So now they do not have they have non-vascular. They are non-vascular actually. अब ये non-vascular क्या होता है? Non-vascular basically is the conduction of water and food का इनका कोई जरिया नहीं होता है इनके पास. Isn't it? जैसे कि plants के पास xylem and phloem होते हैं, but they do not have such kind of system. So we usually say it like they are non-vascular. Now they are lack of chlorophyll. They have they do not have chlorophyll. अब इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है अगर क्लोरोफिल नहीं है, so they must do not perform this photosynthesis process, isn't it? So they are basically not autotrophic. हमें ये बात यहाँ से पता चल गई कि autotrophic तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, as they do not perform chlorophyll. Like they do not have chlorophyll. And the main and very important point, that is the cell wall. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे हमें ये पता चल गया that they have cell wall, right? And also made up of chitin. बहुत ही स्पेशल इसमें सेल वॉल का जो स्ट्रॉन्ग जो है फंगस का जो सेल वॉल इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस substance, that is chitin. बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. And these are the 4 basic characteristics of Kingdom Fungi. So yeah, as you can also see in your NCERT and here also, that examples are Saccharomyces, which we call as yeast. Penicillium also we call as mold, and Agaricus, which we usually call as mushrooms, right? So these are the 4 basic characteristics of the Kingdom Fungi. So now the question arises, what do you think, students, that fungus is an exception of planting? Do you think that? Because they also look like plants and क्या लगता है आपको? I'll tell you that no. Answer is big no. Why so? Because exception क्या होता है? Exception is the thing that is rare, isn't it? Exception हम कब मानते हैं? When that is rare. But fungus के केस में क्या था? इतना huge, इतनी species जो कि आज till now we are looking into the new species of the fungus. So जब इतना ज़्यादा, that when we have lots of species, we have lots of fertility in this fungus kingdom. So we have to do this, have to give this kingdom देना ही पड़ा unique features. Because of these unique features, like cell wall is made up of with chitin and no chlorophyll, so we have to give this a huge and a separate kingdom that we call as Kingdom Fungus. So yeah, now the question, what do you think? As I told you, this is just a quick recap in the video. Chitin found in, what do you think? Nucleus, cell wall and mitochondria. As I told you, cell wall, this is a very unique feature of the fungus, that cell wall is made up of chitin. Now fungi performs photosynthesis, as some of them are green in color. Is it true or false? So yes, you have given right answer, that is a big false. And why so? Because it doesn't matter that if there is a green color, so there must be a chlorophyll, and we have just read that they do not carry chlorophyll, they do not contain chlorophyll. So if they do not contain chlorophyll, so definitely they do not perform photosynthesis. It's very obvious. Okay, these all were the main characteristics of the kingdom fungi. Okay, now there are some pictures and you have to identify what they want, like what actually they want to say like कुछ bread हमें दिख रहा है and with some green color, isn't it? Some bags are there, school bags, or like, yeah, they have some whitish, some color like whitish substance on it, and also on the shoes, right? अच्छा, ये तो है कुछ trees पे we can see it, this yellow part, isn't it? And now these on the paper and also on the human body. So we can say that ये तो fungus ही है obviously, and we are going to like we'll study about the habitat and mode of nutrition. Actually, habitat क्या है, where we can find this fungus, and the mode of nutrition. So if I tell you, the habitat is like you can find it anywhere. Fungi could be found anywhere, and like cardboard, trees, food, school bag, bread, human body, मतलब कहीं पे भी ग्रो हो सकते हैं. तो we can say habitat तो बहुत ज़्यादा versatile है, limited तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. We can find anywhere. If now if I talk about the mode of nutrition, ऑटोट्रॉफिक तो डेफिनेटली नहीं है, isn't it? हेटरोट्रॉफिक एंड हेटरोट्रॉफिक में भी अगर हम बात करें, डिपेंड हेटरोट्रॉफिक विच डिपेंड्स ऑन अदर फॉर देयर फूड. सो नाउ दे आर सेप्रोफाइट्स. सेप्रोफाइट्स यूजुअली होता क्या है, यूज डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल एज फूड, डेड एंड डिकेइंग. अब नाउ आपको यू विल लाइक strike हो रहा होगा that they are decomposers, isn't it? Yes, so they also perform as decomposers, sometimes bacteria also, and also this from this group also. And also some of fungi perform as parasites, as you can see in this picture also, isn't it? See in this picture also, parasites usually होता क्या है कि like other requires a living protoplasm as a host organism for food. Food के लिए they just live on the protoplasm of the human body, so they are called parasites, isn't it? So two types of mode of nutrition is saprophytes and parasites. Now the question time. Yeah, true false है, some fungi are also called hetero like decomposers. Is it true or false? Definitely true. We have just done with this. Now fungi have very limited habitat. Yes, actually not, because I have just told you that ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं पे भी मिल जाता है, they could found anywhere, so the limited तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I told you that they are true and false. Now name the food mode of nutrition in fungi. So yeah, mode of nutrition is saprophytes. They are basically saprophytes, and also sometimes some of them are parasites, right? So yeah, let's move further. So now if I talk about, I can see some bread are there, mushrooms, and also this part like parasitic kind of thing, like they are performing like on the human body, right? So अब करने क्या वाले हैं, we are going to discuss like we'll know how versatile fungus is, isn't it? Fungus habitat we can find anywhere. Now अब इनकी स्पेशलिटी और क्या ऐसी चीज है कि लाइक फंगस को एक यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर देती है. सो फर्स्ट इज द लाइकेंस. अब बेसिकली लाइकेंस होता क्या है, what happens is some fungal species live in a permanent mutual dependent relationships with blue-green algae, right? So what they do is, suppose I have like I have some work with you, isn't it? So I'll give you chocolate and you will do my work. So what we are doing, we are just making a relationship, a symbiotic. Like I'm doing for you, I'll do for you, and you will do for me something for me. So similarly, यहाँ पे भी वही होता है कि that the algae perform like algae and fungus do a symbiosis relationship, and algae works as a like algae perform photosynthesis as they have chlorophyll. So algae give food to fungus, and fungus give shelter to algae, isn't it? So they both mutually understand, they both mutually doing symbiotic relationship. So we can see symbiotic relationship, and such symbiosis, such symbiotic life is called lichens. Very important, keep it in mind. अब बात करते हैं the useful fungi are there, that is yeast, penicillium, which help, and also some fungi also help in making beverages. Now there are some fungi that are edible. Mushroom हो गया, agaricus हो गया, isn't it? Now, if I talk about harmful fungi, वो भी होता है. That is example is asparagus. So यहाँ पे we have some useful fungi, edible, harmful fungi, right? So yeah, this was all from my side. I hope you have just understood about fungi, fungus कितना important है and why it is being have a separate kingdom. Why? अब तक सब समझ में आ गया होगा, I hope. And if you like this video, so do comment. So we'll meet in the next video and we'll cover further kingdoms also. So till then, keep watching my videos and please keep supporting me and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.